Claire here at Urban Automotive in Oakville. Drew, working on a 2011 Audi A4 S-Line. What are we doing?
So what we got here, come a little closer so you can see, 2-liter Audi. They're coming in Volkswagen engines as well. Common issues on these is the oil trap we got over here. Sometimes the diaphragm breaks, you'll have oil consumption issues. In this place here, the oil trap is getting clogged and it was starting to blow out oil, so we're resealing the valve cover gasket and all related components. It does get a little intense. Labor wise, front timing cover's got to come off, new seals and all that for that. And as well, these exhaust camshaft solenoids to remove. You don't really need to take it out, but because when you're installing you don't really know where the cam lobes are, you don't want to take the chance in bending one of the pintles. And when we reseal it, use the aerobotic sealer from Thermatech and get a good seal.
Just a couple hours.
Couple hours, yeah, a few bolts here.